Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. In today's video, I'll be talking about crypto headlines, the news that is going on in crypto community. First on my screen is what does Bitcoin mining means? How does how does it function? This article is talking about for beginner who is wondering how Bitcoin and mining works. So Bitcoin mining is the process by which a new digital asset is created. Miners get Bitcoin for verifying and committing transaction to the blockchain. Definitely, this what this article is talking about for people. For someone who don't know how crypto mining is talking about, you can check up this article to read about how uh, Bitcoin mining works. So going to the next headline, f- top five privacy token below 100 million market cap to keep eyes on read to keep your eyes reader in October 2020. Let me scroll down. So this is the DIO Dedro coin and SVG coin and ARRR coin. So I won't talk more, I won't read more about this. If you want to know more about this, you can go to this website to make a research about this. Innovations never stops. Sponsored Bitcoiners. What's new from Binance? September has been one of the brilliant months at Binance this month. Talking about Binance, the Binance got hacked like 100 million. I don't know how and the solves the problem, but if you want to know about it, you can make a research about the Binance hack. So that's what they are definitely talk about this and Binance stuff. So I thought it was Binance Bridge that got hacked. So going to the next video, cryptocurrency Tether. Tether is a USD coin. It deals commercial paper exposed to below 50 million. Treasury bill rise to 58.1% of reserve. Basically, this is what they are talking about is like the Tether stablecoin reduce the risk to buy the commercial paper like debt of maybe some company or some states or country. So to 50 million. So the treasure bills rise to 85.1% of reserve. So basically that's what they are talking about. And Tether, if you want to read more, if you want to know more about this, you can make the research about this or read this article. Going to the next headline is top five Binance launch pool tokens below 30 million market cap to watch in October 2022. You have likely heard of these both Binance Launchpad and Launchpool. Both platforms aim to assist the cryptocurrency ecosystem by all Binance user early access to promising crypto tokens that returns a significant profit. So basically, this is talking about startup of maybe cryptocurrency that have good potential to have good return and that is still under 30 million market cap to watch in month of October. So these are the coin WING and Auto Meta Network ATA and Canvan length. Add I don't know about this, but this is just the news. I'm just going to proceed to the next news. Another spot Bitcoin ETF get rejected by SCE, Google Coinbase partner for crypto payments. Ethereum news. The biggest news in crypto for October in conclude Google News partner with Coinbase are the accepting crypto payments. So basically, they are talking. This article is talking about the crypto ETF that got rejected by SEC, and the Google and Coinbase partner together, and Ethereum news. So basically, this is what this article is talking about. And Arbitrum's off-chain labs acquired leading Ethereum clients. Ethereum news. So Avatar parenting company of trainers and acquiring of basically this is what they are talking about. This Arbitrum, the layer two solution for Ethereum got a partner like major player in cryptocurrency in Ethereum space. So that's what this article is talking about. If you not want to know more about that, you can read about this article. Then Bitcoin Ethereum open interest suggests a square is coming. Ethereum news. The two biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, Bitcoin and Ethereum, have seen a significant rise in their open interest in the last couple of weeks. This comes even the market is seeing a struggling price, and investors have begun to take more conservative position in the market. Basically, this the article is talking about the whole stuff going on with the Ethereum and Bitcoin and XEN crypto down 39% as it suffer multiple attack. It's talking about this attack on Ethereum news. The newly launched NCN crypto is down 39% in less than last 24 hours after a user found a way to mine over 100 million token on FTS without paying any gas fee. So if you don't want to know more about this article, you need to read everything. And reports showed Ethereum supply tanks by 5,508. What does it mean? It means the Ethereum completes one of the historic upgrade in the mid upgrades in mid September. The March created the transaction from proof of work to proof of stake. Unfortunately, the post March event brought deflationary situation for blockchain. Basically, they are talking about being Ethereum being more scarce than before, about the moving from proof of work to proof of stake. So that's what this article is talking about. If you want to know more about this, you need to read this article. Going to the next article, cryptocurrencies, the SEC versus the Metaverse. The US Security and Exchange Commission (SEC) and its chair Eric Gansel has reputation for the being hostile towards cryptocurrency, but up to now NFTs have been a area that some market manipulation when open might continue to be overlooked rather than overseen. This article is talking about what is going on with the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission and the metaverse, and how the metaverse and NFT being manipulated by some worldly people that ask money that can manipulate the market. This is what this article is talking about. Mind you, if you get value in this and in this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So anytime I upload another video, you won't miss any video on my channel. Let me get back to the video and talk about this last article. Cryptocurrency, five platform with crypto offer October 2020. Cryptocurrency.news. A crypto offer is a promotions offer that exchange among other platforms used to attract new trader and reward existing one. So it's talking about crypto exchange that is offering people that is giving people and what again offer like a reward for being the user on the platform. So this is what this article is talking about. If you want to know about this, I offer you need to read this article. Offer $5 in Bitcoin on your first trade on and Coinbase. Spin to earn by $3, $200 by new user, $10 for referral bonus where the friend account must be trained within 180 days of account registration. Coinbase up to 4% cashback in crypto reward on every eligible purchase using a Binance and Coinbase card. So basically, this all those people that offering crypto offer. If you want to know about this, you need to read about this article. Guys, if you get value in this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So anytime I make this announcement and crypto headline on my channel, you won't miss any updates on my channel. Please, thanks for your time and see you on the next video. Comment in the comment section anything you think about this video and what do you want me to talk about next on my channel. See you on the next video.